My name is Nasrullah. After my father's death, my brother became shelter for me. He always supported me. He always loved me. He never left me alone even for a single day. We had a very happy life. But one day, someone killed him and I became orphaned. Thanks God to my uncle. He came to took care of me. One day, my friend Mujeeb came to me at my new flat where I was living with my uncle. And he told me that once he was shooting for his vlog in the village, he suddenly called by his brother. So he left the camera on the shooting mode and went. But he saw a strange thing. He saw while editing that my uncle was killing to my brother. I had left the village with my uncle, but he was searching for me, and he saw my uncle today. So he asked the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper told him the address. And he reached our new flat where I was living with my uncle. He told everything to me. I was very shocked. I couldn't stop myself and I killed my uncle. And that was my revenge.